What's up guys, welcome to Dig It with Bhawna, and this video is about whether KEY2 is worth buying or not. You all know that this is priced at 43,000 rupees, 42,990 or something like that, so say 43,000 bucks. But is it worth that or not? So I've been using it for almost a week now, and I'll start with 3 or 4 things that this smartphone absolutely kills. So we'll talk about that, and then we are going to talk about 2 or 3 things that are not so great about it. So then let's take your pick. If those things matter to you, then of course this is worth buying. So number 1 thing that really stands out for me is the keyboard. Because this keyboard is much larger than the one that you had in Key 1, it's 20% larger, and the keys are flatter. It's absolutely a delight to type on this one. So you can type much faster if you are into emails, a lot of writing on your phones, or say WhatsApp, or for that matter, then this is a phone for you. Since the time I've been using it, my response rate on WhatsApp has grown by 100%. I almost respond to even strangers now. You can also type on your phone without looking at the keyboard, but you need a bit of practice for that. Number 2 feature that I love about this phone is the security and privacy feature. We all know that BlackBerry phones are all about security and privacy, but KEY2 one has taken the game up a few notches. Some of the really cool features that I love about privacy and security on this one are your privacy shade, and the other one is your reductor mode. What you can do with that is, for example, a lot of time all of us go through this challenge. We are at the airport, or we're sitting at our desk, or maybe talking to a relative or friends or anyone. People, even out of curiosity, they have this thing of peeking into your screen and reading out your messages. You can completely block that. So you put your privacy shade on like this, and you can just light up the section of the text that you want to read, and rest will be hidden. So now nobody can see what you are reading or watching, which I think is pretty cool. And the other one is your reductor mode, and what you can do about it. For example, if you're going to share, say, your screenshot, or you're going to share something with people, and there is a certain line, or say certain text or names that you don't want people to read, turn on your reductor mode and wipe that out. You can just put these black lines on that text, and you can share this screenshot with whoever you want. Apart from that, there's a detect app, and there's a lot of other privacy and security option that you get on this one. For example, if your app is using, say your camera app is using your location or giving out your location, this phone will keep informing you that this app has access to whatever on your phone. Third one is 6 GB RAM that it comes with. A lot of companies are going after 8 GB RAM and all that, but do you really need that? The bigger your RAM is, it's going to drain your battery also. And the 4th thing that's cool about this phone is the battery. You've got 35 mAh battery, and which means you get a battery life for 2 days, and I've been using it, so it works out pretty well. I charge in the morning, then I'm sorted for the entire day. And now the things which are not that cool about it. The first one, again, that sort of stands out and hits you, is the screen size. This is in the phone if you are into playing a lot of games on your phone, or if you're into watching Netflix on your phone, then this definitely is in the phone for you, because it won't give you that kind of experience. The screen is small. Ouch! The second thing, camera. It has, I clicked a few pictures outdoor, and I've clicked a few selfies. Outdoor pictures that we clicked, here you see these flowers. It sort of give you natural colors. I wouldn't say that it's that bad. And the other one is clicked by OnePlus 5T, which I think sort of adds a bit of filter on the pictures and makes it look prettier. Selfies were complete disaster on KEY2. We clicked selfies, and I can assure you we don't look as ugly as Key 1 is showing us. Here's the selfie by 5T. We are not that pretty also. 5T is definitely adding a bit of filter there and making you look prettier, but there is definitely room for improvement as far as camera is concerned. So a last thing which is bit of neutral, I wouldn't say good or bad, is the processor. It still has 6 series processor, the latest one on that series, but But looking at the kind of usage that you're going to have with this phone, which is a lot of typing, a lot of app checking, not that much of game playing, etc. So for that usage, that processor isn't bad, 6 series isn't bad. So you have to decide, are you going to use your phone to play games or to watch Netflix, or are you going to use it as, you know, a lot of typing, security and safety? Is that the requirement for you? So you have to make a pick between that. And from looks perspective also, I sort of like this phone, and it's got a very nice grip too. So the choice is yours, I say. Bye bye, stick around and let me know what more would you want to know. I hope you like the video. Bye.